Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Are you fine? I hope you are fine at home. Today we are continuing with the chapter Pig Meets the Convict. In last class we have seen that the convict, the prisoner, asked the boy to bring a file and the graph. After each question, the convict tilted the boy and he got scared, he got frightened. Now all of you look in your textbook. I was dreadfully frightened and hoped that he would not rob me. I clung to him with both hands. He gave me a most tremendous dip and roll, so that the church jumped over its own weathered coat. Then, still holding me upon the tombstone, he went on. The boy got frightened and he hoped the man would not drop him down, and the boy clung on his body. And the man started to speak. He said, "Early tomorrow morning bring that file and the graph. You bring the lot to me at that old battery over there. If you do it, you don't say a word about me. I'll tell you leave. I will let you leave. If you fail or say anything at all about me, then your heart and your liver shall be torn out, roasted and eaten. Now I am not alone. There is a young man hiding with me. In comparison with him, I am an angel." The convict asked the boy to bring a file and the graph to him. Then he is telling to the boy, "Don't tell to anybody about this. If you don't tell, I will let you leave. Otherwise, if you tell to anybody, I will take your heart and liver out. I will turn it out and it will be roasted and eaten." And he is threatening the boy by saying, "Now I am not alone and there is an young man with me, and he will cruel to children, and he is lying. Nobody is with him, but he is threatening the boy, saying a lie." I am continuing. Look in your textbook. That young man can hear us now. That young man has a secret way of getting at a boy and at his heart and at his liver. The man is continuing. That young man can hear us, and he has a secret way of getting at a boy and at his heart and at his liver. A boy can't hide himself from that young man. A boy may lock his jaw, may be warm in bed, may tuck himself up, may draw the clothes over his head, may think himself comfortable and safe. But that young man will softly creep his way to him and tear him open. He is telling a boy can't hide himself from that young man. A boy can close his door and cover his body with a cloth, and at time he may think he must be safe and comfortable, but that young man can softly creep his way to him and tear the clothes open. I am keeping that young man from harming you at the present moment with great difficulty. I find it very hard to hold that young man of your inside. Now what do you say? He is again asking. He is hiding that man from harming you, hurting you, and he is facing difficulty to hold that young man off from your inside. I was so frightened, but I said I would get him the file and I would get him what broken bits of food I could, and I would come to him at the battery early in the morning. The boy got so frightened and he is agreeing to the man. He will bring the grub and the file for him to the battery. What is the meaning of battery? A fort. Promise on your life, said the man. I promise. And he took me down from the top of this tombstone. Now, he went on. Remember that promise and remember that young man and get home. He is continuing. You have to remember the promise. Remember that young man. The boy told the man, good night, sir. It is going to be a long night for me, said he. He looked at the cold, wet, flat marsh. I wish I was a frog or an eel. Then the man is saying, to me, it is a long. He hugged his shuddering body in both his arms, as if to hold himself together, and limped towards the low church wall. He got over slowly, like a man whose legs were numbed and stiff, and then turned round to look for me. When I saw him turning, I was frightened again and ran home without stopping. At the end of the story, we can see that the man is poor and cold. He held his hands over his body in order to protect himself from cold, and he turned towards the boy. Seeing the man is turning, the boy ran home. Children, read the textbook 3 times, study the difficult words and its meanings, write the notes neatly and study the answers. I will send it today. Have a nice day.